What is up, everybody? It's your boy Brando here with Brando Reviews, and today we're checking out this wireless IP camera and the solar light right here. Before this video gets started, if you guys aren't subscribed already, be sure to hit that button down below, hit the bell icon to stay up to date on more of these videos, and like this video if you enjoyed it. So now that we got that out of the way, let's move one item aside, and let's get to this item right here. So this is the TL-K9 Wi-Fi camera right here, and it's $59.99 on Amazon. And it does have a app, so you can look at the video from your phone. Very cool. So in the box, you get a little packet here with all your cool stuff. Let's go ahead and see what else is in the box here too while we're at it. Seems like you have some screws for mounting this. So you have a mounting diagram. This helps you line up your holes if you want to use that. You have your antenna right here. This attaches to the camera. And you have your screws and a screwdriver, so everything you need. So here's the camera right here. As you can see on the front, we'll peel this off. This is a 1080p camera, so it records in HD, has a 115-degree field of view, so very wide. You can see a lot of stuff on this. Motion detection built in, of course, as well as night vision, and it has a cloud app. You have two separate ports right here. So this one right here is a reset button, easily accessible because it's going to be hanging probably somewhere high in your front or backyard, your garden, above your garage. And this is actually for the power cord right here. As you can see, it connects just like so. All right, guys, so one last thing here is I wanted to show you guys where the SD card goes. So this does have a cloud. You can live view it from the cloud. You can't pay for cloud services. You can also have a SD card in place here. Now, I did not put one in here when I got this, so I don't know if it comes with one or if this is just for me, but it did come with a SanDisk Ultra right here, a 32 gigabyte one. The next step here is also quite simple. You're going to download the app called Wi-Fi IoT, just like so. All right, guys, so what we're going to do now is actually pair it to the phone. So first you're going to have to plug in your power cable, and you're going to wait for a ding-ding sound. That's the first step. Once you hear those two dings as you just heard right there, you're going to get your phone out, and you're going to go to your app. The app is going to allow you to set it up. So we are in the app right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to press the plus button at the top there, and we're going to, as you can see, the prompt that pops up right there, it says listen for DDD. We've already heard that. There it is again. So I'm going to press I have heard the voice prompt. So once you're on this page, you're going to enter in your Wi-Fi password. If you have one, this will allow it to connect to your device, and then you'll press connect to Wi-Fi.
Please face the QR code towards the camera lens and wait for it to scan.
Once you hear that right there, you're just going to put the camera in front of it. You can hear it scanning.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
And it says connecting to Wi-Fi. So that's very simple. Makes a lot of sounds. So go ahead and turn that down right there. And then on your phone,
Wi-Fi is connected.
as you heard, it says Wi-Fi is connected. So you're just going to press the next button. So this is retrieving your pairing status right here.
Pairing is successful.
And it seemed to be a
You can
very
start
quick
using your
process.
camera now.
So now what we're going to do is we can name it whatever we want. Let's say living room. And then you can share it. But we'll press save. And then you can purchase a cloud subscription or just start using, as this does have a 32 gigabyte SD card in it. So there you go. That's the easiest part right there. Alright guys, so what we're doing now is we're taking a look at the app. As you can see, you have multiple different options here. You can click on the screen and you can go back in time to different events that it has sensed, so you can keep a record with your SD card or cloud services. As you can see here, you can change the quality, it looks like, to HD or auto. Has all sorts of settings in here. You can take pictures, the two-way audio communication right there. It asks for permission, you press OK, and then you can talk back and forth. So that's a very cool feature as well. So as you can see, there's all sorts of options in here. You can get alerts, time lapses. We'll go up here, you can see all your different settings. Plenty of different features there. So now what we're going to do real quick is just go to full screen here, switch the phone to its side, and see what the footage looks like when we move the camera. And you have your camera over here. Works just as expected, very easy to connect with the app, and you have full coverage on that app. You can save it to the app, SD card, iCloud. You can save them to your phone, and it's very good quality too. We didn't get to check out the night vision, but I'm sure that's just as good as advertised. It is an outdoor camera, and it does have really good reviews. So if you guys enjoy this video, be sure to hit that button down below. Be sure to hit that bell icon too to stay up to date on more of these cool tech videos. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed it. Any comments or questions, I got you down below. Thanks for watching.